Good morning, it's a nice morning today. We've got some blue sky in the garden. Come and join me today as we're going to do day 44 of a UK lockdown, and it's number 8 of our one minute circuit series. Today we're going to cover box squats, pendulum and rotations. Now I overran the minute last time, Sally tells me, so I've got to get our timing a bit better. I'm going to do 10 repetitions and you do as many or as few as you can to complete your exercise in 1 minute. So starting with the box squat, let's stand a bit closer so you can see me on the mat. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and go. Then we're on the mat for pendulum, which is the abs exercise. And standing up with the free weights, we've got rotations. So, blossom's all gone from our tree now. We've got some cherries growing very nicely, just hoping the birds don't pinch everything before they ripen this year. Okay, rotations. And that's 10. Okay, that's our 1 minute circuit for today. Hopefully better timing. You can find this and all the other 1 minute circuit exercise videos on my YouTube channel, Peter Moorhead, and also on the Facebook page, Celebrate Personal Training. See you tomorrow.